Hey folks, it's Ben. I guess I waited a little too long to get the mowers out of Quonset 1 into Quonset 2. I was going to do the awesome, let's change the oil and everything and get it ready for the season, but that ship has sailed. So now we're just going to move them over to Quonset 2. Now my snowblower's at the house, so I don't want to dig it out. But my Honda does have fresh oil and actually fresh seafoam gas in it. It was the only one I actually did take care of. So let's snowblow a path with the mower over to Quonset 2. This does have the power rake attachment, although I think it only has one time now. So we kick it all up to high throttle, which is for it choke. It's probably full of gas, snow already under the deck, but let's see how easy this thing is to start. I'm just thinking it's not practical when everything is so cold. It's about 20 degrees Fahrenheit to change all the oils now. Oof. There we go. Not that easy to start. Not very happy with me at all. Did I turn the gas off? No, it's on. It was out of gas, so that's one reason I ran it dry, I guess. Choke on it for a little bit. Maybe I should close the door. Alright. Too crazy with the idle. What do you say, dog? Oh, it says. Gotcha. Let it warm up a little bit. Whoops, looks like I filled up my memory there, but did a pretty good job. It's not what it does for a living though, right? So, and we're here now, so let's choke it down. I did let it run to melt the snow out of it. But there, and if I was really snow blowing with it, I'd put the wheels up all the way high. But in this case, it's just down low. And we'll park it over here by the Caprice, actually, for the season. Okay, so there's actually only 3 motors I plan to run today. So we did the Honda, which is over there. I ran it out of gas because it has a fuel shut-off. I have the mower that started it all, my beater completely, because it has a different deck than the original. And a motor I don't care about, so, but it runs like a top, so good for me. And then I'm probably going to fire up the Craftsman tractor in there because I'll change the oil first on that one because it does need an oil change. And then I'll drive it over here because I'm not pushing it. But I need to make a path to push the tillers through here. So this will be a better snow blowing lawnmower anyway. I did put some seafoam in it. It does have really dirty oil, so we're good there. Oh wow, that primer is really sticky. This is the one without a shutoff. See, yay or nay? It's hard to do this holding a camera. Anything, sunshine? I'll try it the other way. My right hand. It says no way. Of course, running these mowers, I'm pretty sure this has seafoam in it already, but it double checks it, makes it sure. Yeah, it's a little bit. Keep my fingers off the camera lens. Oh, that was something. You know you want to. I felt it. Oh, it's getting squirts of gas. Little squirts. If I wasn't holding a camera, I'd be faster to hit the primer to keep it alive. Should I have brought my tripod out? Come on, sunshine. on. Drag it again, that works better. Really hard to push these things. Especially with one hand. Pull it back the other way and free the dog. By the way, because it's falling off all the time. Down you go. Nighty night, little ones. See you later, YouTube.